are back out here in the brand new community of Summerlin, and today we're going to be checking out this model home as well as one of their inventory homes by Coventry Homes. And again, this is a brand new community on the far west side of San Antonio. I'll tell you a little bit more about it as we go through this house. And if you stick around, I'll share more information about the current incentives and just some more general thoughts about being out here. So let's go ahead and get this camera flipped around so you can see this house. But before you do see this house, I mean, look at all this land. There's lots of vacant land right now where they're going to be building homes from all of the builders. But specifically with Coventry Homes, they have tons of homes, and you can see some of the ones that they're building out that direction. So lots of good stuff. And actually that one right there on the corner is the one we're gonna go see right after this. This is their young plan right here, this model home. They, again, don't have any available for sale at the moment, but it has 4 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, a game room, and it's all on one story with just over 2,000 square feet at 2011. So let's go on inside, check it out. Right up front here, you've got 2 bedrooms and a bathroom. Pretty good sized bedrooms. You got 9-foot ceilings here. Lots of natural light, and there's gonna be a closet there as well. All right, and continuing on, so let's go down this way. You have the laundry room leading into the garage. Right now it's being used as an office, but here is already the 3rd bedroom. And it only has the 1 window. It's a little bit smaller, it feels like, in here, but still ample amount of space. Got a closet to the right here, and then here is the 2nd bathroom. So this could be perfect for a home office, guest bedroom, just because it's on the other side of the house and away from everything. Or if you just have an older child that, you know, wants a little bit of space from everybody else, it can be ideal. And then here's going to be that flex space that you can use for a home office, a media room, whatever you guys would like to use it for. It's pretty good space here overall. But a little bit about this community again, it is brand new. It's on the far west side of San Antonio. It is in the Medina Valley Independent School District. And you're actually not even in Bexar County where most of San Antonio is. So it's right in Medina County, which is our neighbors to the west of San Antonio. But this, lots of new development happening over here, newer community as well. So great opportunity to get in at the start of a brand new community and enjoy the equity that you're going to build just over the time of other homes being built here. So this one here, again, they don't have any currently available for sale, but I did look. If you want to build one, the base price on this house is right under $340,000. So if you want to stick around, I'll share some more information with you about the current incentives after we go look at that inventory house that's move-in ready. So give you an idea, this is a king-size bed in this room, so not massive, but enough space for everything and for you guys to enjoy. And especially for the price, Coventry Homes typically builds, and you'll probably hear me say this again, but they typically build very nice luxury homes. So finding a house at this price point is very nice. And in my opinion, these prices are only gonna go up over time. So out here, you do have a tax rate, I believe it's 2.34%. So a little bit higher, but not terrible. If you are a veteran with 100% disability, you don't have to worry about those property taxes. So could be a nice benefit there. But there's your shower, and then across from the bathtub, here is the primary closet. So that was this house here. Again, if you want to stick around, let's go check out that inventory house, and I'll share some more information about the current incentives. Actually, let's go on into the backyard before we move on out to that one. So of course, this is going to be the model home. Every yard will be similar, but might be a little bit different in size depending on where you guys are at. So pretty good sized yard overall, but as I mentioned, Coventry Homes, they do have a couple. I've got a sheet here and it's got about 8 or 9 different homes that are in various stages of construction that are available for sale. Some of them are moving quickly because they have some really good deals on these homes. It's a hot area on the far west side of town. And you're not gonna be very far either from, you know, HEB, right? HEB is our grocery store if you're not from the San Antonio or Texas area. And so you've got a brand new one that's like 5 minutes away. If you're active duty military and you're gonna be stationed at Lackland, could be a good opportunity to get a great quality builder at a good price, as you're only like 25 minutes or so from Lackland, so not far at all. You've got all sorts of stuff out here. I know it's on the far west side of San Antonio, but this area is just rapidly expanding, and it's kind of a hot area just because of all of the things that are happening out here. So what I'm trying to say is you're not far from a lot of stuff, but let me stop yapping. Let's go on out to the other inventory home because I can see it right over there, and I want you guys to see it in person because it's a nice looking house and it could be a good option. It's a little bit different, a little bit smaller than this one that we just saw, but it also has a much better pricing. So let's go check it out. All right, so we are out here at one of the inventory homes. This one is move-in ready. It is available for sale, at least at the time of me filming this video. It is a single story house sitting right here on a corner lot, so you're gonna have no neighbors on one side. You've already got some neighbors next door as well as across the street. But this one, 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and just over 1,700 square feet of space at 1,709 to be exact. So let's take you on inside, check it out. And then we got some more for you. So don't go away yet. I'm gonna share some more information as far as pricing and all of that in just a moment. But as you come in, you get an extra door. Actually, I don't know why that door that is there, but it's it would be gone before you purchase the house. So up here, you got 2 bedrooms and a full bathroom. Lots of natural light coming into this room. Got some 9-foot ceilings. So pretty good sized room overall. One thing, I may have already mentioned this, but Coventry Homes, pretty high quality builder. Got some nice stuff there, capable of building some really expensive homes. And the fact that this one is priced where it is actually incredible to see. I love seeing this with high quality builders being at such good price points. Now this room is a little bit smaller. You do have your walk-in closet back there, a little bit of an indentation. So adds a little bit, but to be honest, this room is kind of small. So here's your first 2 bedrooms, and we haven't even made it that far into the house. So nice wide walkway. That's probably a good 5 feet across, which is nice. You've got a storage closet here, a coat closet, and then you have access into your garage. So you can see you've already got your garage door opener, a water sprinkler, and a tankless water heater, as well as a pre-plumb for a water softener. So all really good things to say that's going to be included with this house. The garage is finished as well. And then to the 3rd bedroom. Yeah, this is already the 3rd bedroom. Again, a little bit smaller of the bedrooms. Good office or guest room, just because it is away from the other 2 bedrooms, so a little bit more quiet. It's also the only bedroom on that side of the house. So keep that in mind if that's something that's interesting to you. But here's the kitchen, living, and dining area. I will be honest, for a Coventry home, it's not super fancy, right? I'm used to seeing Coventry and the $400,000 and up range, where they have some really nice looking homes. I'm not saying this one isn't a really nice looking home, but for the price, unfortunately, you're not going to get a ton of stuff with it. But you get some nice quartz countertops. They're kind of like a beige, tan, brown color. Deep sink there. You've got a gas cooktop and a gas oven as well, and a microwave to go with it. Nice herringbone pattern on the backsplash there. And then here's the dining area leading back into the living room. So very nice open area, good for everyone to enjoy. And then we'll go in the backyard real quick, because this is where some of the magic is. It's got a very nice, generous sized backyard, especially for a single story house. A lot of these times when you're getting these larger single story homes, you have very small backyards, and this one's not huge, but it's not small either. So good enough amount of space for everyone to enjoy. Keeps you inside in the summertime from having to mow as much, right? Because it gets hot out here. If you're not used to the Texas sun, Texas heat, it can take a toll on you. That's what I'm trying to say. But nice small yard, which is good. Now, on to the primary bedroom and bathroom, as well as here is the laundry room. So Generous size, plenty big enough for your machines, and then directly across is of course the primary bedroom and bathroom. So again, not super massive. Yes, you could fit a king size bed in here, but it's gonna be a little bit tighter fit, especially if you're putting nightstands and dressers and stuff like that in here. Got your dual vanity sinks, large mirror. Again, you still have the 9-foot ceilings throughout. Got some nice dual sinks, and here's your walk-in shower. So there's no bathtub in here. The only bathtub was in that one bathroom up in the first two bedrooms that we saw. And then you've got closed off for the toilet area, and then some shelves to store all the things that you want to store in there. And then your walk-in closet. Now, to be honest, this walk-in closet is a little tight. It's a little small. There's not much going on in here, and you've already seen it all. So hopefully you don't have a whole lot of clothes. Maybe you can utilize some of the other closet space if you don't have kids or anyone living with you. And then also maybe some dressers and stuff like that. So there was the house tour. Now let's talk about some of the things that you want to know about. This house as it stands, again, is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath house. It's got 1,709 square feet of living space. The price on this house is currently at $299,990. So round up if you want by $10 and you get right at $300,000. You're getting into a brand new community on the far west side of town. So as they continue to build some of these homes, the prices of these homes are just going to get higher and higher as time goes on. So good chance, good opportunity for you guys to come in here while it's still early in the building process and get into a house at a lower price and build some equity over time, especially as the community continues to build out. Now, there is going to be an amenity center here in the community as well. So there will be a pool and those things for everyone to enjoy, which is going to be fantastic. And there are also 2 other builders in here. One of them is one that I do not like to talk about just because I think the quality is absolutely terrible, but the other one out here is going to be Century Communities, and all of them look pretty similar as far as looking good. Now, I know I told you I don't like one of the builders, but they were forced to make their homes look a little bit better on the exterior to kind of fit in with Coventry and Century Communities that are out here. Now, if you want to go see Century Communities specifically, I do have a tour of a few of the homes that were available at the time of me filming it, so feel free to go check it out. Also out here in the community. Now, even though they're in the same community, they're also in Bexar County, which is different from Medina County where Coventry is. And that's just because the county line goes right through the middle of this neighborhood. So with Coventry Homes, they are in Medina County, meaning that all of the students, all the kids here will go to Medina Valley Independent School District. And if you happen to be with Century Communities or the other builder, they are in Bexar County and you will go to the Northside Independent School District. So depending on the school district that you prefer, both of them, from what I've been told, are really good. Absolutely go do your own research and due diligence on the schools and make sure they fit for you and your family. But both school districts have high ratings and are desirable. But if you have a preference, may dictate which builder you go to. Anyways, back to Coventry Homes, because that's what we're here to talk about. They currently have some incentives. They're going to pay all of your closing costs, which is going to save you several thousands of dollars at the closing table. They're also going to give you a fixed interest rate at 4.99%. So not one of the best interest rates I've seen out there from builders, but it's much better than the 6.5% that we've been floating at for the past week or so, at least at the time of me filming. Now, if you're watching this video months from now, interest rates are going to be different. These incentives are going to change, so please hold me to that. Just want to give you that for an illustrative purpose. So if you're doing your due diligence now, you can kind of see what they're doing. Usually Coventry Homes is pretty comparable to the other builders in the area and are competitive with their incentives. So they are going to change, but again, if you're starting to see other incentives from the other builders out there, whether it's through my videos or just your own research, just know that they're pretty competitive with what's going on out there. So with that, if you happen to have any questions or if you want to see more of these in person, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. I've got all of my contact information down below. I would love to answer any questions you have and of course help you and your family find the house that fits your needs, even if it's not these homes. So please don't hesitate to reach out to me. I'd be happy to meet with you in person or on a Zoom call whenever that time comes. So please let me know how I can help. And if you found the video useful, please go ahead and give me a like and give me that thumbs up on the video. But while you're there, also hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss another video that I make for you guys. With that, thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys have an incredible day and I can't wait to talk to you guys here soon.